Hello, and welcome to the Teacher's Dungeon, where learning math becomes an exciting adventure. Our interactive gameplay makes math fun and engaging for students. Every question is paired to a dedicated video tutorial that teaches time-proven strategies so that kids can be successful in math. Our comprehensive stats page makes it easy for teachers, parents, and students alike to see their progress. The green colored boxes represent standards where the child is proficient. The yellow colored boxes represent standards that the child is still working on. Now, the gameplay logic will bring the child back to these questions again and again, all the while offering video tutorials until that child understands the concept and is proficient at that standard. The white colored boxes represent standards that the child hasn't yet started. So, join us at the Teacher's Dungeon and transform the way your child thinks about math. You can test drive it for free at www.teachersdungeon.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.